Throughout this course, you may need to use high quality images for your projects. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to get quality images from the internet. I'm going to go to Google Images and I'm just going to type in car. Now what you're seeing here are thumbnails. So we want to filter down to high quality images, and we'll click on Tools, Size, Large. Now these are still thumbnails, but these are high quality images, and we're going to also filter the usage right for labeled for use. This means that someone, when they uploaded this to Google, provided you with the ability to use their images. Then what we're going to do is we're actually going to click on the image and click View Image. Then you will see the high quality image that you will want to save, and so you will click on that image and save that image to your computer for use in your projects such as PowerPoint, digital storytelling, or whatever other project you may find that you need a high quality image.